His head was few inches from the track as the train sped along. At last he found himself under the iron ball that joined the front carriage to the engine. It took all his strength to undo the bolt, but eventually he came loose and the carriage and all the others behind it began to slow down. Not far away in the distance, Passepartout could see a tiny train station with a wooden platform, Fort Kearny Station. He sighed with relief. The engine, however, continued to race off down the track. In this paragraph, we got the information about that situation when a band of Indians tagged on him. What happened? Fogg wanted to go, but his valet Passepartout, by using his acrobatic skill, he went under the carriage. His head few inches from the track as the train sped along. At last he found him under the iron ball that joined the front carriage to the engine. Then Passepartout took all his strength to undo the bolt, where the front carriage to the engine, he undid that part, but eventually it came loose and the carriage and all the others behind began to slow down. Then Passepartout saw a tiny train station with a wooden platform that is a Fort Kearny Station. Passepartout felt relaxation. The engine, however, continued to race off down the track. Moreover, when the rest of the train stopped, the Indians sounded it. They climbed onto the carriage roof. Guns were fired, windows were smashed, and people screamed. An Indian got into Fogg's carriage, but some passengers managed to pull him to the floor. With each Indian that was defeated, there was a gun to be taken and used against the others. In these lines, we have read the train had stopped. Indian attacked, Indians surrounded. They climbed onto the carriage roof. They were continuously firing, windows were smashing, people are feeling very terrified. Then an Indian got into the Fogg's carriage, but some passengers managed to pull him to the floor. With each Indian that was defeated, there was a gun to be taken, used against the others. Soon the passengers heard other guns firing outside. Fogg quickly looked through a window. It's a cavalry. Soldiers. A group of soldiers came there. They heard the attack at Fort Kearny. They were coming to our rescue. Ada was relieved to see the cavalry, to see the soldier. Thanks heaven, she was thanking to God. The brave soldiers came there. Soon a large group of soldiers were galloping toward the carriage. At the sound of their guns, the Indians were surprised and rode away in fear. Here, when the cavalry came, when the soldiers came, a band of Indians, they ran away in fear. Is everyone all right? Asked the captain. Some passengers are hurt, but not seriously. We are counting them now, answered the conductor. After a while, he returned and gave his report. 3 passengers are missing. One of them is the Frenchman. Hearing this, Fogg stepped out and faced the captain. When Indians rode away in fear, then captain asked to all the passengers, all are fine? Some passengers are hurt but not too much seriously. We are counting them now, conductor said. He returned and gave the report. He said that 3 passengers are missing and one of them is a Frenchman. To see this thing, one Frenchman is missing. Then Fogg stepped out and faced the captain.